was not being given too much battery capacity.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
Hi, hello guys and welcome to my channel. And this here is KG, the Ordinary. Today I'm exploring the wilds. He said the Wilds Nature Reserve. Meaning to come here for the longest time, I think since from last year. But I've been postponing. I don't know for what reason, but I have been postponing for the longest time. And then decided, you know what? I'm off, so I'm gonna take my day and come to the wilds. This morning when I woke up, guys, I was so disappointed. I even doubted coming here because the rain. If you can see the weather, let me show you. Okay, I'll show you. The weather, it's a bit gloomy and it's rainy, and I thought, I shouldn't be coming here. Like, what am I gonna see? But then I took the risk. And you know what? Mother Nature listened, child. Mother Nature ungimamele, and I feel good to mntanam. Tshwantse ube mole. Anyway, it's not raining that much. It's just drizzling, and I think it's better in this weather condition because imagine if it was hot and we are hiking, because there's so much you can do here. You can do picnics, you can do hiking, your walks, and it's free of charge, guys. Look how clean this place is. And for a place free to be this clean, like big ups to city parks, because it's rare. But this place, guys, this place is actually starting to rain harder, but I'm gonna be fine. I'm a big girl. I'll put on my big girl panties, nibe right, and we'll continue. My lips are dry. I'm gonna moisturize them now. And laba bahle lapha ya, those are my ambassadors. Those are my colleagues, guys, but they are placed here at the wilds. So yeah, let me go because it's raining. We can go, guys. Shame, my gentleman had to wait for me. Oh,
Nice.
Here they are.
Be nice, be good. The future is bright, you know.
Yeah, it's actually raining.
Now we're gonna take you to Santal. So it only works when it's sunny hours.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of lemon for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch.
Your handy endies, your
like the angels do. Wow. You gon' make it through.
yeah, you got it. Lavender tree.
Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. a break. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Oh yeah. So this is the foam and I see lama bugs lapha.
What do you want to say?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Tse ke di-environmental indicators di a bontsha gore dintho tse mo di a phela.
Oh,
They are
okay.
environmental
Indicators. So di hlaha ko difateng kaofela. Oh, okay.
Lagnus is fresh.
Then diziyavela. Oh, okay. But ena yona ke yona foam.
This is foam.
Okay. Alright.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you call me to my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm not. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Kirby, can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from your life for me? Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying toward it. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness. I have done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Crying out from the shine, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
It started raining a bit harder, but at least it gave us a chance to finish our hike. Be done. This was the last spot. So just gonna wait it out, wait for the rain to come down a bit, and then I'll get going.
I will wait for you.